welcome to my car. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is my cheat day, so I decided I wanted close to authentic Neapolitan pizza. So we're trying out this new place in Arlington, Virginia. It's called Pupatella Neapolitan Pizza. It's a pretty small pizza. It's not like American size where it's like double this. This is like a small Pizza Hut. So here we have the Margherita pizza, tomato sauce, buffalo mozzarella, and this is a DOC, meaning it's like has the legit certification. Sanitize first. So when we went to Italy, literally the middle of it would just droop down with juice. I guess this is how Italians eat their pizza. So let's try this. It's soft and the cheese. Oh my god, can't even talk. The crust is chewy and I like that. Honestly, it does come really close to the one I had in Italy. Oh my god, this is fire. Once you go to Italy, you can't go back to American pizza.
Ruined.
I don't have water. I'm so thirsty now. We're gonna try the prosciutto and arugula pizza. It's my favorite. This is what the pizza looks like. Pretty bendy. I eat like a New Yorker because one of my best friends taught me how to eat pizza like this because she's from New York. Keeps all the toppings inside like a sandwich. The pepper from the arugula. Oh my god. You can really taste the saltiness from the prosciutto. Let me explain something to you if you live in America or don't know what real Neapolitan pizza is like. Now, I read a review on how their pizza was like undercooked or soggy. Every pizza place in Italy will all look like that. That's how they make it. That's the authentic, real way. And honestly, I love it. It's not dry. It's super tender and like melts in your mouth. I just wanted to do a public service announcement on Neapolitan pizza. It does this. It's not raw. That's just how it is. So then we went to the Italian store. That's literally what it's called. It's like 10 minutes away from Papatella Pizzeria. So you could get different Italian snacks, wine, beer, drinks, and they also have subs and pizza. It's time to try the subs. So we got the Capri, which has prosciutto blended with Genoa salami, provolone cheese, and spiced capicola ham on soft roll. And then here we have the Milano, which is their most popular sub, served with 2 Italian hams, provolone cheese, and Genoa salami. These are both the large. So this is my face. This is the sub. This one was bigger than this one though. You can tell. So we're gonna try the Capri. So it has prosciutto, Genoa sausage, has pickles. I like that. Let's take a bite. Pickles are fire. I love soft rolls just because they're soft. It's easier to eat. Oh yeah. Really good. I like the prosciutto, of course. I'm a prosciutto girl, and I love the pickles. It definitely cuts through all the fat in the meat that's in here. It's a good balance between meat and vegetables and the bread. Here we have the Milano. It says M for me. Has a bunch of pepper in it. I can see that. This is their most popular sub, so let's try it out. I don't know where to start. Let's try the meat side. This one's good. I like it. I think I like the Capri better. Seasoning that they put on the cabbage takes over the entire meat, but I guess people like that. So to each their own. Yeah, I wish we got drinks. You didn't get any drinks other than the wine. Oh my god.